मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. We are at present standing at the Mela ground here in Punjab Agriculture University, where you can see behind me the preparations they are going on for the vibrant Saras Mela, which is being hosted by district administration from October 4 to October 13 here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. So we are showing you the visuals where you can see the main stage is being set up by the workers over here. The stalls are being set up over here. So here at the 10-day event, around 1000 artisans from across India will present their craftsmanship at 500 stalls, offering a stunning variety of rare handicraft, traditional artworks and handicrafted treasures. So besides, grand event will also showcase an amazing lineup of renowned Punjabi artists including Gurdas Maan, Satinder Sartaaj, Gurnam Pullar, Ranjit Bawa, Gippy Garewal and several other performing over here. So as per the schedule released by the district administration earlier, Gurdas Maan will perform on October 4, the opening day of Saras Mela, followed by Kulwinder Billa on October 5, Basant Kaur and Pari Pandeer on October 6, and October 7, Kavan Garewal and Manraj Patar will take the stage, while October 8 will feature Gurnam Pullar, Prabh Bands and others. Then on October 9, Dilpreet Tillon and Vicky Tillon will perform. Then on October 10, it will be a soulful night by Satinder Sartaaj. And on October 11, there will be Ranjit Bawa, Josh Badar featuring Gitaj Bindrakhia will perform on October 12, and on October 13, the last day, Gippy Garewal will close this event. Gippy Garewal, he will perform on October 13, the last day of Saras Mela. So as per the details provided by the district administration, besides these star nights, different competitions will be organized to engage the youth to celebrate creativity, culture and talent, and attractive cash prize will also be rewarded to the winners. The competitions will include painting, poetry, turban tying, mehndi, face painting, bottle painting, fulkari, rangoli and photography event. So Deputy Commissioner Himanshu Jain had announced that all proceeds from the Saras Mela will be donated to flood relief funds supporting the people affected by the recent floods, and he emphasized that the event will serve as both a celebration of Punjab's vibrant culture and a meaningful opportunity to aid those in need. So he warmly invited residents to attend in large number, enjoy the spectacular performances and contribute to the district administration's effort to support the flood affected families. So preparations are going on over here at Punjab Agriculture University for this Saras Mela, which is going to begin on October 4. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.